Hi guys, welcome back to another episode, and today I'm gonna introduce you a very cute vehicle which is called the Wuling Hongguang. And in China right now this car is very famous, and most of the Chinese young girls, they would love to buy this vehicle. And there are many reasons why they want to buy this vehicle. Today I just want to try to figure it out why people want to buy this car. This car, it got two battery packs. One is 9.3 kilowatt and another one is 13.9 kilowatt. So if you use a 9.3 kilowatt battery pack, then the energy range will be 120 kilometers, and if you use 13.9 kilowatt battery pack, then the energy range will be 170 kilometers, and the total output 20 kilowatt along with 85 Newton meter torque. So here is the charging port. This is the only charging port using in this car, and look at here. Wow, so it will take 6.5 hours to get the full charge. The height for the car is 1.6 meter and the length 2.9 meter, and the wheelbase is 1.9 meter. Front wheel distance 1.2 meter, and the rear wheel distance also 1.2 meter. And look at here, the wheels, they use 12-inch wheels with the max content tire. And this one is a four-seater, so let me sit inside. Okay, so and look at the interior. Here is it's pretty simple, and we have to compare with the price, because the price is only 4,000 to 5,000 US dollar, so you cannot expect a luxury interior here. And the steering wheels is pretty soft. They use leather type materials, but this one is not leather, and you will get a small screen. It's not so complicated, just like you can sit here, put on your seat belt and just drive this vehicle. And I want to sit in the back because this one is a four-seater, so if you want to sit in the back, okay, so let me try if I can get enough space. It's a very small size electric vehicle, but still I'm 184. I got a little bit head space, also a little bit leg space here, so not bad. And look at here you cannot get enough storage capacity here. Actually they don't have the storage capacity because it's a four-seater and a very small vehicle. I'm with a friend and we are going to test drive. I will tell you some other okay. Right guys, so if you want to drive this vehicle, look at here, you just put it in the D mode and then motor, and you can drive the vehicle. So not so complicated. Well, we cannot go far because we just have 6% charge left here, so we cannot drive for a long time. So you see what I feel, to be honest, that look at here, it's a compared to the price, it's a really good vehicle for your daily life. And you will get a screen here and just get on the car, put on your seat belt and just drive it. It's not complicated, so easy to drive, and top speed 100 km km/h, but I don't think so that people would like to drive this car so fast. So here you see another beautiful Wuling Hongguang. So there are two beautiful vehicles right now in this store, and this one is the most cutest one. Some people right now really want to get their first electric vehicles, but maybe they cannot afford to buy a new car or Tesla or some other electric expensive vehicle, and they really want their first electric vehicle. So they're going to consider the Wuling Hongguang Mini because the price for this car is really reasonable, and you can drive this vehicle in your daily life. You can drive it 120 kilometers or 170 kilometers. And number three is you don't have to follow so much rules. For example, you can drive this vehicle in the bus length, and also you can drive it every day. You don't have to spend much money on this purpose. For example, you want to park this car at the parking lot sometimes 1 or 2 hours for free, and you have to spend a little bit money at the parking lot. So that's the reason why people would love to buy the Wuling Hongguang. And I hope that you guys will like this vehicle and you guys will like this video. So keep supporting me, do subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.